G'day and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at September 17th, 2025's Arrow Sudoku by Clover. If one of us others are at Gas HQ, so my name is Bill Murphy. G'day, how you doing? I'm doing pretty well. It is the second last day of term, and I have enough energy that since I got home, I brought the washing in, unpacked the dishwasher, taken the dog for WALK, you can't say that word out loud, and ordered dinner because I'm going to do more washing and cleaning. That's crazy. What a life I lead now. We are Gas, genuinely approachable Sudoku. We create set and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku for you, the person watching this. You will find a link to today's puzzle in the description down below. You will also find hat times. 2 hats is very, very fast time. 1 hat's for a pretty fast time. Everyone gets a dinosaur because we love you all equally. Let's get into it. Now, this is an Arrow Sudoku. We've done plenty of Arrow Sudokus before, but I'll just do it. Anyway, normal Sudoku rules apply. Each box, each row, and each column must contain the digits 1 to 9 once each, and the digits along each arrow, so this, those two must sum to that. That's it. That's all you need to know to solve today's puzzle. I'm going to get into it now. Let's do it. So, 8 needs to have a digit bigger than it, so that must be a 9, and that's a 1. Now, this needs to have a digit bigger than it, so it's either 6 or 7. 6 down here means that it must be 7 and 2. Also, if it was a 6, you couldn't put a 1 in that cell. 3, 4, and 6 go along here, but the only digit bigger than 5 in that triple is 6. So that's 6, that's a 1. 3 here is going to put a 3 there, 4 there. Now, 7 needs a digit bigger than it, which could be 8 or 9, but the 1 here means I can't put a 1 in that cell, so it has to be 2 and 9. 3, 4, 8 in this triple over here, but the only digit here that it can be bigger than 7 must be 8, which puts a 1 there. 4 and 3 go that way. 6 needs a digit bigger than it, but I just put 7 and 8 along an arrow, so this has to be a 9 and a 3. 2, 4, 5 along here. This is the first one where I don't instantly know what it is. 5 can't be there. Now, what do I... Well, and that can't be a 2. Actually, no, never mind. I do know what it can't be. 2 must be in one of those 2 cells. So, because 2 must be in one of those 2 cells, it can't go there. 2 and 3 would make 5, but that means it's 4, 2, 5, and 1. Now, this needs to have either 1, 2, or 3 in this cell, but I just put 1 and 3 along an arrow, so this is 2, this is 8. 5 and 7 go there. Now, this might be a little trickier, probably. Alright. I'll just pick that one at random. It would be very funny if that's the one I needed. This is very good. I need a digit bigger than 3 to go in this cell. But it cannot be 5, 7, 8, or 9. And it cannot be a 6 because 6 would need me to put 2 3s along that arrow. So the only digit left is actually 4, making that a 1. Now, this can't be 4, 5, 6, 7. So this has to be either 8 or 9. Meaning that is either a 5 or a 6. Why is that not? Oh, 6 over there. Cool. 5 and 8 go there. 4 here, I can't have, wait, what can't I have? Can't have 5, 7, 8, so this has to be either 6 or 9. Do I know? Yeah, 2 there sees that cell, so this is a 9 and a 5. 6, 7, 8, or 9. 8, 9, meaning this has to be 6 or 7. 2 there means 5 and 2 cannot make 7. So this is 6 and 1. That's all the arrows in this puzzle. Now we're on to just regular old Sudoku. 2 and 6 make 3. This is 2 and 6. 3 and 9 can't go in those 2 cells. 3 and 9 must go there. 4 here, 7 there. This is a 9. This is a 7 and an 8. And let's go over here. 2, 7, and 9. 7 and 9 over here, make that a 2, which is going to unwind my 6-2 pair. 6 has to go like that, making that a 7. That's just a 1. I mean, this is a 6. 5 here, puts a 5 there, 2 there. This cell can't be a 7 because it sees that one up there, meaning that's 8, that's 7. 1, 2, 7. 1 and 2, putting a 7 there. This is a 1 and a 2. 2 4s mean that 4 has to go there. This is a 9 and an 8. 8 there, puts an 8 here. This is a 6. 2, 4, 4, 6, and 8. 4 and 8, 4 and 6 mean that this must go 6, 8, 4. 1 and 5 across the top. 5 and 1, come down, that's a 2 and a 1. This is 2 and 9, 2 there is going to do that for me. 3 and 9. This is a 3 and a 7. That's been Arrow Sudoku by Clover. My name is still Bill Murphy, wherever you are in the world. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I'm praying my kebab order gets here soon, and I will catch you later. Bye.